On May 30th, 2022, Hurricane Agatha landfell in the state of Oaxaca, in southern Mexico, and wrecked many of its coastal and low-lying towns. It was particularly heartfelt for its 7-hour-long duration, and because besides the 150 to 200 kilometer-hour winds for 7 hours, more than 2 meters of rain fell that day. This caused dry riverbeds not only to fill up to the maximum capacity, but to burst out by 3 times their maximum size. Since this subtropical region goes dry for 7 to 10 months out of the year, the zone near the riverbeds is a vital lifeline for the people, the vegetation, and the animals, where deep roots and wells give them access to water year-round. In the days following the natural disaster, some emergency help arrived. Bottled water and food boxes were handed out for a day or two. In the more well-known beach towns, the Marine Corps and military helped clear the main roads, and water and power was partially restored. However, some of the worst affected places are small villages just a bit inland, along those dry riverbeds. People there live only with the most essential necessities, and many lost all they had. This includes access to clean water, a simple roof over their head, and the animals and fruit trees they depended on for daily nutrition. Although natural disasters can be very destructive when they first happen, what costs more lives and more hardship are the months and often years following the disaster. It's when the cameras and news crews have moved on to the next sensation, and yet the people are left without homes or clean water and no means to repair them. This fundraiser aims to help the people who are hit hardest and have no financial resources to restore their most fundamental needs. We will provide them with what they expressed they most need to help themselves. Instead of handing out water bottles, this fund will buy them the tools they need to help them clean their water wells from dirty water and debris. Instead of tarps, we will provide basic materials to fix and rebuild their destroyed roofs. Given that strong rains have continued almost daily and the rainy season has just begun, this is a matter of utmost urgency. Instead of handing out egg cartons for the day, we want to help people restore their rural way of life in which food security has depended on a few farm animals per extended family for generations. Finally, each community needs a safe house in which the families can take refuge during an extreme weather event and also store some of their essential documents year-round. Not only were people left without a place to live or food to eat, they also lost their documents to identify that they even exist. One resource the hardest hit people of Oaxaca have more than most communities in the world is resilience and the capacity and willingness to work hard and do what it takes. With your help, they will be able to give themselves and their families a chance of a new start and come out stronger than ever. The campaign is run exclusively by volunteers, and each and every dollar you donate will go directly to the people who need it most in form of items they need to secure their family's most basic needs. Jose Luis and Luis will personally supervise all the materials and work, while Laura and Jose Luis will supervise the flow of money as well as the work. As a donor, you may request your dollar to go to a particular item on the list, in which case we can send you a picture of its delivery and use. For Angel supporters, with a donation of $500 and up, we offer the donors a chance of becoming a foster parent to a child in the communities we will serve. For now, these communities are San Pablo, Cuatote, and El Tololote, both little villages outside of San Pedro Pochutla, Oaxaca. For more information, please contact one of the volunteers. Also, hands-on help is always welcome. Thank you in advance for your contribution. Every single dollar will make a difference.